I cannot sleep. I am not sleepy. I am very awake. Peanut, are you sleeping? Lucky you. It is very dark and very quiet. Close your eyes, Lily. Sleep now. Oh, it is not working. I have an idea. I count sheep. 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep, 5 sheep, 6 sheep, 7. What is the name of that sheep? The big one. I name him Bob. Bob. And the small one is Lucy. This is not working. I am thinking too much. Why is the sky blue? Where do birds go at night? What is my teacher doing right now? I cannot stop thinking. Peanut. My brain will not stop. I am hungry. I ate dinner 3 hours ago, but I am hungry now. Eating helps. Maybe now I sleep. 1, 2, 3. I am still awake. What time is it? It is almost 12 o'clock. I need to sleep. Mom, I cannot sleep.
Lily? What time is it?
Almost 12 o'clock.
Lily, it is very late.
I know. But I cannot sleep.
Okay, come here. Did you close your eyes?
Yes.
Did you try counting?
Yes. I named the sheep Bob and Lucy.
Okay. Did you drink water?
Go drink some water. Then go back to bed.
And Lily, close your eyes and keep them closed. I love you. Good night.
Good night, Mom. Close your eyes. Keep them closed. I am still awake. Dad. Dad. Dad, I cannot sleep.
Count to 1 million.
What?
1, 2, 3, all the way to 1 million. When you finish, you sleep.
Dad, that is a lot.
It works. Trust me.
Did you try it?
Try again. Good night.
Dad? Okay. Biscuit? How do you sleep so easily? You are no help. Okay. I am tired. My eyes are heavy now. Maybe now. Maybe I sleep now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Oh. No. 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 No.
Good morning, Lily. Time to wake up.
I am so tired.
Did you sleep well?
No.
No?
I slept at 2 o'clock. I slept at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Lily,
I could not sleep.
are you okay?
I am very tired.
I know. Come on, breakfast is ready.
Okay. Peanut, I am so tired. Mom, tonight, I go to sleep early.
Yes, you do.
And I do not name the sheep.
Good idea. Good morning, Lily.
Good morning.